Hello? Hello? Hey, sweet, how you doing? I'm leaving tour right now. Well, what time is it? Well, how about you be my doctor, and I'll be your patient. I don't mind learning anything at all. I'll see you later.
Just got a quick text, said, baby, can you get in quick? She said, I've been saving my body, so tonight I need plenty of sex. Call me, baby, when you get to the door. Walk to the living room to your right, and my panties on the floor. I've been waiting all day, I've been waiting all night. Ooh, you know I'm ready, so tonight get ready for a surprise. I'ma make you scream and holler when I call out your name. Ooh, it's something about the way me feel, you got me going insane. She got me on side of the bed. Ooh, she's making my nature rise. She got me on side of the bed. Ooh, she's making my nature rise. 30 minutes later, she wanna go for a second round. She up tipsy as a motherfucker, so tonight she's getting satisfied. Now my baby, she's calling on the other line. What do you do in the situation? I might as well go and finish. Baby, I can't wait much longer. You got me feeling stronger and harder. I said, ooh, baby, I can't take it much longer. This feeling's getting stronger and harder. She got me on side of the bed. Ooh, she's making my nature rise. She got me on side of the bed. Ooh, she's making my nature rise. Ooh, she's making my nature rise. Ooh, she's making my nature rise. I wanna feel good tonight.